In this video, we will cover the new merged row feature. The new merged row button is located here in the timeline toolbar, and it will create a new row with any selected instances that we have from any number of rows. To demonstrate, first I will select a single instance and then click on the new merged row button. As you can see in the timeline, a new row has been created that includes the instance that I selected. Also, the edit row window will open up immediately and I can edit the name or background color of the row. Now I'll select a few instances from the shot row using the lasso tool and then click on the new merge row button. Again, we see a new row created with all of the instances that I selected. So the principles of selecting multiple instances while doing a new merged row are the same as when you have one single instance selected and you do a new merged row. We can also create a new merged row with instances from different rows. I'll go ahead and select a variety of instances from a few different rows, and then click on the new merged row button again. You see in the timeline that all the selected instances from every row are all together in this single new row. Oftentimes there will be instances in different rows that overlap on the timeline and partially cover the same video. When overlapping instances are used in creating a new merged row, the two instances will merge to create a single instance. You can see this when I select these two overlapping instances, and I'll click on New Merged Row. Let me move the playhead so we can see this a little bit better. You see now that there is only one instance in this new merged row that spans the entire length of both instances that I selected. It is possible to make overlapping instances into two separate instances when using new merged row. Basically what will happen is in the new row, the two instances will split the difference of the overlap. To do this, just hold the Option key while you're clicking on the new merged row button. See here when I select these two instances and then create a new merged row while holding the Option key. The second instance starts midway through the overlapping portion of the video. I'm going to quickly add a name to this row. Now I'm going to drag this new row closer to the two overlapping instances so that we can see how it splits the difference a little bit better. You'll see that the first instance stops and the second instance begins midway through the overlap.